Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a practical package for anyone needing reliable audio connections over distance. The Rockville RCXFM100P-B cables. This isn't just one cable. You get a pack of 8, each stretching a full 100 feet. Let's talk connectors first. These are RCXFM XLR, female to male, nickel-plated, featuring internal strain relief. This is key for rugged reliability, especially with frequent use or long runs, helping prevent failure points where the cable meets the connector. Moving to the cable itself, the build quality emphasizes performance. It uses 100% copper conductors for enhanced signal clarity, ensuring your audio travels cleanly. Protecting the signal is a 90% OFC spiral shield. This shielding is vital for rejecting EMI and RFI, preventing unwanted noise. The spiral design also adds flexibility, useful for routing long distances or packing up. The use of oxygen-free copper, OFC, underscores the focus on signal purity. Having 8 cables at 100 feet each in one package is incredibly convenient. Whether you're miking up a drum kit, setting up multiple speakers for a large event, or running lines across a stage or venue, having this many long, reliable cables ready is a significant advantage. They're compatible with musical instruments, microphones, and speakers, making them versatile workhorses for various audio setups. So, for someone needing durable, long-distance XLR connections in bulk, the Rockville RCXFM100P-B package offers a compelling solution with its robust connectors, quality copper conductors, effective shielding, and sheer quantity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.